So in order to make this macrame bracelet, the following supplies are what you need. You do need a project board. You can usually find these at your local bead store. Along with the project board, most of them are going to come with T-pins as well. You will need a nylon cord. I am featuring Beebeecraft nylon cord in size 0.6 millimeter. Using these little teardrop beads. You will also need the jump rings that correlate with that, and link those up above. Love using a lighter to burn some clean edges. You will need a pair of scissors, and today I do have a beading mat. The reason I use that is because you can see me more clearly when I'm doing the tutorial, so it's definitely not needed for you. Okay, to start, you do need to cut a piece of cord that measures 20 inches. So next you are going to tack down these two slip knots that you created with your T-pins. And these can just pull off to the side. Next, you are going to cut 5 cords total, and they each need to measure 60 inches. You're going to attach the 5 cords to this anchor cord that you tacked down. So again, you're going to take one cord, find the center by placing the two ends together, and then finding the center. And then we're going to attach it to this cord using a lark's head knot. So you're going to take that loop and go underneath like so, pull down, and then I usually use a T-pin to help guide, but you're going to pull it through that loop and then pull to tighten. And that is your first knot. And you're going to do the same with each of the 5 cords. As you can see, I'm done attaching all of the cords. You can see the tension has really been messed up while you're attaching the cord, so all I need to do is re-grab and my knot came apart, so I need to put it back together. So we're going to make sure it's nice and tight and then tack back down. So this first section, I'm going to show you how to make this first pattern, and then all you do is repeat all the way down, and then the last part is going to be adding on the beads. With the 2 center cords, you're going to create diagonal double half hitches. You want to make sure that the cord in your left hand is nice and taut, so that when you are creating the knot with your right hand, it's creating a nice and tight knot. With each cord, you are creating 2 knots total, before you move on to the next cord. So you are done with the left side. We're going to move on to the right side. So count out 5 cords and toss them to the side. So now we're moving over to the right hand side. You're going to take that middle cord, place it over top of the next cord next to it, and create 2 diagonal double half hitches. Alright, so I had so much fun making these with you. Comment below which colorway you like the most. I think I prefer the white with the brass color. Make sure you check out Beebeecraft. I do have a coupon code listed up above. And definitely check back next week because I'm going to be showing you how to make beaded earrings using the bugle beads that I also got from Beebeecraft. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys next week.